Welcome to the High Jump Academy lesson on using Profit on Demand for your iPad. In this lesson, you will learn how to properly download and configure the Parallels client, what you'll need to log in, and what to expect when logging into our Profit on Demand portal for the first time with your iPad. Before getting started, you're going to need your user login information for the portal. If you don't remember this information and don't have it saved, you will need to contact our support team to reset your password. To begin, go to the App Store and search for Parallels Client. You'll want to download the one that just says Parallels Client and not the legacy version. Once the app has finished being downloaded and installed, choose the Open prompt. From here, you'll choose the Add Connection Manually at the top left. Select the Parallels Remote Application Server option. You will now need to enter the connection information. We recommend putting the user you are setting up in the friendly name field if this device will have more than one user. Otherwise, just put in POD. The server address is always apps.profitondemand.com. Here's where you would enter your username and password to log into the portal. Don't bother with either the connection settings or the advanced settings and select in the upper right hand corner. You may see a certificate prompt. Select Accept. Here you will see the portal being loaded in. You may need to click the X on the top right hand corner. This is your new portal with Profit on Demand using the Parallels client, and you may now select the Retail Vantage software using the icon. When first using the software, you may see a lot going on while your profile loads. Just be patient and you should eventually be greeted by the database connection prompt. Select your desired database and proceed. Here we see the Retail Vantage software using the Parallels client. This concludes the High Jump Academy lesson on using Profit on Demand with Parallels on iPad. In this lesson, you learned how to properly download and configure the Parallels client, what you'll need to log in, and what to expect when logging into the Profit on Demand portal with your iPad. Thank you for watching.